All right, welcome to Introductory Performance Seminar. Um, Hang on. We are, yeah. All right. We are here. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. We have two students. We're going to go ahead and start with Jaina. So go ahead and introduce yourself, introduce your piece, turn on your camera, turn on your original sound, and let's do this.
My name is Jaina, and I will be playing Carol of the Bells.
Very nice. Very nice. All right. Very well done. Okay, good job. All right. What is one thing you feel like you did really well and one thing you feel like you could improve?
Uh, I One thing I think I did really well was I memorized it. Um,
Yeah.
and one thing I think I could improve. Yeah. One thing I think I could improve is like rhythm and just messing up less in general.
Okay, good. When you say messing up less, what do you mean?
I hit, I hit, I hitted the wrong notes a lot.
Okay. All right. Sorry, there's a little bit of a mix up with us. Um, All right. So good, 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 good. So honestly, I think a big thing that would help you is if you just slowed it down a little bit. Just let's just try it, just the first little bit, and let's just slow it down just a smidge, okay?
Like that?
How did that feel?
Better.
Good, 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 good. Yeah, well done, well done. All right, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's go on to Ayan. Did I pronounce your name correctly?
Yeah, I just don't really know which song I played.
It looks like you're doing Deck the Halls.
Okay. So I'll be playing Deck the Halls. Um, wait, forgot.
Well done. Well done. Okay. So, what is one thing you feel like you did really well with, and one thing you feel like you could improve?
Uh, One thing I think I did well was rhythm, I guess.
The rhythm. The rhythm was really, really nice. You guys both did really good with your rhythms. So, what's one thing you feel like you could improve?
One thing I feel like I could improve on was memorizing it better.
Okay, good. All right, good, good, good. So, let's try it again. Let's go just a little bit slower
Give me a
and just
sec.
play the first little bit, okay?
Okay, give me a sec.
Try it even slower, just a little bit. Nice. Yeah. 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 All right. So, um, why why do we go slower when we're practicing or when we're performing?
So that we can pay more attention to the notes, and we can pay more attention to the notes when we're going slower.
Good. 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 Ayan, what do you think? Why do we go slower?
So I guess if we were good at the right hand, but like we don't know the left hand or something, it's easier to coordinate the hands.
Yeah. 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 So when we are moving faster, our brain has to work harder. Why? Do we know?
Because you have to move your hands faster, and you have to do more things more quickly.
Absolutely, absolutely. Which means our brain has to work faster and it has to think harder, right? Um, and if we are focusing on going fast, our brain, if we haven't spent a lot of time going really slow and slowly building up that speed and not only building up that speed, but building up the little tiny details, then our brain is just going to be going, like, it's kind of just going to be going, right? And so sometimes when we feel like we're losing control, or like you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know why it keeps, like, I keep having that mistake, I practiced it really hard. Sometimes the answer is just slowing down and giving our brain a little bit more space, a little bit more time to figure out what's going on. Okay, so what are some practice tools that we can use to help us um slow everything down, I guess? I am. What do you think?
We could use a metronome or like a digital one or a man-made one, I guess, like just hitting your hand.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so we call that conducting. Yeah, absolutely. Keeping beat. Jaina, what do you think? That's okay. It's okay if you don't have an answer for it.
Small parts.
Yes, I love that answer. I love both of those answers. Those were so good. Yeah. So break it down into smaller sections. That way, one, our brain doesn't have as much to think about, right? It's kind of like if I asked you to run a mile, that's a lot more doable than if I said, run a whole marathon, which is what, 26.8 miles or something like that. It's a lot easier to run just the one, right? So sometimes we just have to give our brain just the 1 mile instead of the whole marathon, right? Good, 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 good. All right. Um, any other practice tools that we could use? So we've talked about going in small sections and metronomes. Ayan, what do you think?
We could use Kaizen.
Ah, absolutely. We could use Kaizen. Um, why is Kaizen helpful for things like that?
You can get input from like different types of instructors, so like you learn different ways to do the same thing or how to get better in several.
Yeah, absolutely. Love that. Love that. Okay, good, good, good. All right, you guys both did really fantastic. Any questions, any thoughts? I am? Jaina? You good? All right. In that case, you guys both did phenomenal. I would say, yeah, slow down. Practice in sections. Use a metronome. Go to Kaizen, all that good stuff. You guys know what to do. So have a good rest of your day, okay? Good job to both of you. All right. Bye.